Hey everyone, just wanted to let you know this is part 2 of our math tidbit. I'm trying to look for my phone, and this one may run a little long, I'm not sure. Maybe not. But I'm going to talk about how to model multiplication using base 10 blocks. And I'm using the base 10 blocks on the Mimeo because I want to model how you can do it on your board. But remember, when you're doing this, the kids can also have their own sets of base 10 blocks and do the modeling with that. Okay, ready? Go! Okay, so now again, I want you to think about multiplication. And I want you to think about what we're going to do is we're going to do a simple problem of 12. Sorry, I don't know how that happened that way, so let me get rid of it. Sorry. It's alright. That's the way things happen. It's probably my bracelet. 12 times 14. And I'm using a simple problem for the purposes of being able to model this. Now, when we think about 12 and 14, I want you to think about using some base 10 blocks. And when we use base 10 blocks, we know that this represents a 10. So let me take this and turn it so we can use it. Guess it's not really straight, but it's all right. So that's 10. And if I take 2 unit ones, that's 11, and that represents 12. So now we have the 12 taken care of right there. So now let's take care of the 14. Here is 10, and here is the units, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, I want you to think about this just the same way that when we do multiplication. And what we're actually going to do is we need something that's going to say 10 times 10. So we need something that's a 10 by 10. Just like that. This is the multiplication part of it. This is 10 times 10, or a 10 by 10. Okay? And so now we need a 10 by 1. A 10 by 1. So I'm going to pick up a 10 by 1. And then I'm going to need one more, another 10 by 1. And then if we look down here, we have a 1, but look, it's a 1 by 10. We need a 1 by 10. So here's a 1 by 10, but I need to turn that so that it fits what I need. See, there it is, a 1 by 10. It's 1 here, and it goes 10. So there's a 1 by 10. And then I'm going to need another 1 by 10. And then, look, I'm going to need 2 more 1 by 10. So let me grab those. There's 1. Let me turn it. There's 1. And I need 1 more. So there's another 1 by 10. So now I've taken care of my first one, which was a 10 by 10. And now I have a 1 by 10. And up here I had a 1 by 10. But look here, now I need a 1 by 1. 1 by 1. So that's just going to be a unit. That takes care of that one. And then I need 1 here, because there's a 1 by 1. And then I need 1 here, another 1 by 1, and then I need 1 here. There's a 1 by 1. So now I have to take care of that last one, because I have a 1, right here I have a 1 by 1, so I took care of that one. Now I have a 1 by 1, and I need another 1 by 1, and finally I need one more 1 by 1. So if we take a look at what we've done, we started off right here. Wait, let me get this moving. We started off right here, 10, 11, 12, and then we have right here, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We multiplied 10 times 10, and that gave us 100. We have a 10 by 1, so that's 10. we have a 10 by 1, so that's 10. And right here, we have a 10 by 1, 10, 10 by 1, 10, 10 by 1, 10, and another 10 by 1, and each one of these represents just 1. So I'm going to go ahead and just count those. So if we look at what we have all together, we have 100, and we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and we have 8. We have 168. Now think about that. Keep that in your head for a minute and think about that.
So now you know how to use the base 10 blocks to model double-digit multiplication. And that was part 2 of multiplication. Next time, I'll show you part 3, how to do double-digit multiplication or triple-digit multiplication using this same strategy, but without the base 10 blocks. Alright, till next time. See ya!